Hello friends, my name is Ravi Sharma and I welcome you all in Concept Amplify. So guys, today we are going to talk about Parvatwara dynasty. So in last lecture we have talked about the Rajarshipur dynasty, and right now we are going to talk about the Parvatwara dynasty. Who are they, from there, where they are come, this type of information we will study today. So let's start. So Parvatwara dynasty, who are they? Actually, they dominate in the southern part of Raipur. Actually, it was dominated in the surrounding regions of Kalahandi of Odisha. So that is called the regions of Tel River Valley. In the regions of Tel River Valley and surrounding regions of Chhattisgarh in southern district of Raipur, they actually dominated this area. So at that region, Parvatdara dynasty was dominated. Okay, so where we found the sources? So the sources from which the information of this dynasty is given is Tera Singha copper plate inscription. This Tera Singha copper plate inscription. Please remember the name of the inscription, because in the exams this type of question will ask, because they will give you about some of the rulers name and the copper plate inscription, what is given by them, and you have to tell about that. So this type of information they will ask from you. The last thing is remember the name of the dynasty kings and what were the differences and major evidences given in this about this dynasty. You have to remember that. So these are the dynasty, and point wise we will study everything. So first, this dynasty is in southern part and Raipur and Tel River Valley of Odisha. Actually this dynasty dominates in that part of region, in the southern region of Raipur and Tel River Valley of Odisha. Okay, two rulers of this dynasty were mentioned in the Tera Singha copper plate inscription. Actually there was three rulers. The third ruler is Nandaraj Deva, but his information is not that much, so that's why only two rulers name is famous. That is Soman Raj and Tustikar. Soman Raj and Tustikar. These were the two rulers whose name were mentioned in the Tera Singha copper plate inscription of this dynasty. Okay, from this writing, there is a description that King Soman Raj actually what he did, he donated a land, a region, a Devbhog region to whom? To Drona Swami Kashyap. He donated a land of this region to Drona Swami Kashyap. It is a region in Garhyaban district. Devbhog, recently it is Devbhog. It is a eastern tehsil of Garhyaban. Okay, for convalescence of his mother Kaustumbheshwari, who became ill due to Dahajwar. Actually, for the convalescence means to recovery for his health. Means to recovery for his health. To recovery for his health. He means his mother health. He donated Drona Swami Kashyap a land which named is Devbhog. Actually, he ill due to Dahajwar. This you have to remember, Dahajwar. It is a type of encephalitis. Encephalitis is a type of brain disorder disease. From because recent past you have listened about Japanese encephalitis and acute encephalitis syndrome, that in Bihar some children were eat lychee and they get died because of this. So this type of news is because of encephalitis is given. So what is this? It is a brain disorder. It is a brain disorder. It is a brain disorder. So the information, no need to get more deeper about the disease, just you have to remember the names, that it is what the disease name is. The disease name is Dahajwar. So who donated land? Soman Raj, King Soman Raj of this dynasty donated Devbhog region to Drona Swami Kashyap. He is actually a Brahmin to whom he donated the land for the convalescence of his mother. Okay, from where the source evidence of this donating land is found from Tera Singha copper plate inscription. Only one copper plate writing is there, and you have to remember the name of this. Now second thing, the second king Tustikar is also donated the land Tar Brahmak village. Tar Brahmak village is donated by second king Tustikar. Only two kings are there, one is Soman Raj and second is Tustikar. Okay, now most important thing, the rulers of this dynasty actually they worship Stambheshwari goddess. They ruler is Stambheshwari goddess, which is compared with Parthala of Kalahandi district of Odisha. Actually, the goddess to whom they worship is Stambheshwari Devi. So this type of question will ask that Stambheshwari Devi के उपासक कौन थे? Who is the worshipper of Stambheshwari Devi? Okay, and they simply give you the options, the name of the rulers or the name of the dynasty. So you have to remember this, which ruler, which dynasty rulers are actually worship this Stambheshwari Devi goddess. Okay, and most important thing, this dynasty is under the dominance of Sharapuri. As in the previous lecture I told you that the regional dynasties in Chhattisgarh actually they are dominated by some of the national level dynasties or which comes in their region, they ruled by them, they are get dominated by them. So this is Sharapuri dynasty is that dynasty who dominate the Parvatdwarak dynasty. Okay, now only this much, because this is a very short dynasty, so only this much information is given about this dynasty. In the next lecture we will study about the Sharapuri dynasty. It is a very long dynasty, so we will talk about that in the next lecture. Right now Parvatdwarak was only this much. Yeah, revise one more time, we revise. It is the southern part of Raipur and Tel River Valley, they dominate, है ना. This dynasty ruler mentioned in Terasingha copper plate inscription. Third point is the king Soman Raj actually donated land to Drona Swami Kashyap for the convalescence of his mother Kaustumeshwari Devi due to fever because of disease of Dhar Jwar, encephalitis type of disease, brain disorder. Okay, and Tustikar is also donated a land which name Tar Brahmak village, and ruler of this dynasty worship Stambheshwari goddess, and they were under the dominance of the Parvatdwarak dynasty was under the dominance of Sharapuri dynasty. So this much information is given. Thank you so much guys. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any doubts please ask the queries from me, and thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.